Welcome everyone to the video on installing the MLS Touch app. MLS Touch is a premium mobile app designed exclusively for real estate professionals. It provides direct access to all your listing data and keeps you connected to your clients. The app is integrated with Matrix, ensuring that saved searches, contacts, and your listings are all synchronized. It is your MLS on the go. So whether you're on an iPhone or Android, you're going to go to your App Store or Google Play Store and you're going to type in MLS Touch. And this is what the app looks like. Then you're going to press the download, the install button. When you get to the open, that's where you're going to open up the app. So you press on open. And then it's going to ask you to allow your location services to be on. So allow while using the app. And this is going to be important because when you want to see listings that are near you, you need your location services on. So press allow when using the app, then next. And then you put in your state, which of course is New York. And then you would press next. Then we put in our MLS, which is one key, and then confirm. It'll take you to this login and you log in with your credentials like Matrix. So you're going to put in your member number and password and then log into the app. Once you're logged in, this is what it should look like. Okay. It looks like this screen here. This is the home screen for your MLS Touch and you're ready to go. Stay tuned for another video on how to get started using the MLS Touch app.